Hello, I'm going to test the AIPerception and AIPerceptionStimuliSource components. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.23.0. This is the third-person blueprint template. I created AiBot 1 and 2 by duplicating third-person character. I made no other changes to AiBot 2. In AiBot 1, I added AIPerception component from this dropdown. And I added the element AI site config. I unchecked detect enemies and checked detect neutrals because blueprints can only detect neutrals. And I right-clicked the AIPerception component and added the event onPerceptionUpdated to create this node. And I added print string. They'll print AIBot 1, I see something, when the AIBot detects a neutral. Cube 1, 2, and 3 were created by dragging in a cube and going to Blueprints and convert selected actor to Blueprint class. I'm going to delete this. Cube 1 has had nothing else done to it. Cube 2 has had this blueprint that uses registered perception stimuli source and registers the AI sense site, and then it will print string and say cube 2 register site. Cube 3 has had the AI perception stimuli source component added from this dropdown, and auto register has been checked, and the element AI sense site has been added. This is AIBot 1. I'm going to drag AIBot 2 in front of AIBot 1. Press play. You can see that AIBot 1 can detect AIBot 2. Stop that. Delete AIBot 2. Now press play. I'm going to run in front of AIBot 1. It can detect the player. I'm going to test the static mesh actor cubes. Cube 1. Parent class is static mesh actor. Nothing else has been done to cube 1. Drag it in, press play. It's not detected. Stop and delete cube 1. Cube 2. In the blueprint, it uses the register perception stimuli source node with the AI sense site, and when it registers it will print string cube 2 register site. Drag in cube 2, press play, registered, and it's detected. Stop, delete cube 2, cube 3. Cube 3 uses the AI perception stimuli source component. Auto register is checked, and the element AI sense underscore site has been added. And I'll press play, and it's detected. Stop and delete cube 3. This is AiBot 2. This is cube 1, cube 2, cube 3. I'm going to press play. I'm going to press single quote and 4. So the sphere shows the items that are detected. So AiBot 2, cube 2, and cube 3 are detected, and cube 1 is not detected, and the player is detected. What the test shows is that the character is sensed automatically. The static mesh actor is not sensed unless you register it in the blueprint using AIPerceptionStimuliSource, or register it using AIPerceptionStimuliSource component and auto register.